Watermelon for weight loss. Being rich in water, watermelon helps us to satiate ourselves more easily, in addition to eliminating toxins and excess fluids through the urine, so it can be useful for weight loss. What properties does watermelon have to lose weight? Watermelon is a food that is characterized by its high water content and low calorie content. For these reasons, it is a great ally to lose weight. Among its benefits and properties we can find the following. It is diuretic and purifying. In fact, it can facilitate the removal of fluids and wastes from the body. It is hypocaloric, since for every 100 grams of watermelon, we receive 7 grams of sugar and 32 calories. It constitutes a rich source of water. One of the main characteristics of watermelon in its composition, between 90 and 95% of it is water. Thanks to this, watermelon is a very potent natural satiety. It has detoxifying properties. It is characterized as a rich source of antioxidants such as vitamin A, beta-carotenes and vitamin C. It is a rich source of fiber. This property is ideal to help us maintain a good digestive function. Finally, it should be noted that it is suitable for diabetics, since it is low in carbohydrates and sugars. How to make the watermelon diet. Watermelon diet can be beneficial for losing weight in a healthy way. Before starting it, we must know that we can only do it for a maximum of 5 days, without exceeding its application. In fact, if we exceed it, it can have negative effects on health, such as the rebound effect. In addition, pregnant women, children or people with liver problems should not do it.